Welcome to part 25 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course. In this video, we will learn about document mode in Adobe Illustrator. When you click Create New in Adobe Illustrator, tabs at the top of the resulting window allows you to set the intent of the document. The two choices you should use are either web if your final product will be seen on a screen, or print if it will be printed out. The main practical difference between the two is that in printing, color is achieved by the mixing of three colors: cyan, magenta, and yellow, plus the addition of a black color. While on the screen, color is always achieved by the mixing of only three colors: red, green, and blue. For Illustrator to know how to define colors, it needs to know the final medium. PDF files are incredibly useful and versatile. They may contain only vectors and be of very small file size, or like a book, they may contain many pages and combination of vectors and pixel-based images. They can have fonts embedded in them so that the computer they are viewed on does not have to have the used font installed. They can even be interactive like web pages. With an Illustrator document open, go to File, Save As, and specify Adobe PDF as the file format. In the resulting requester box, you can change the preset to make a large high-quality file for printing or make a screen resolution file which is much smaller. You can change the file size of a preset by modifying it. In the compression tab is where you will find the most saving of file size. While in the Save Adobe PDF box, you may want to check Preserve Illustrator editing capabilities, but in most situations it is best to save an Illustrator version of your file for editing and save the PDF file with this unchecked for sending to others. When you save a file in Illustrator format, you have several options that are fairly self-explanatory or not too important now. One that is important is the option of saving a PDF embedded in your Illustrator file. Also notice that it is in the Illustrator option box that you can save an Illustrator file to work with previous version of the application. That's all in our part 25 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 26.